Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is going to be the start of a challenge week. This week I'm going to be doing a one palette challenge. The reason that I'm going to be doing this is because I made a deal with my husband that I can only buy new makeup products for every 100 subscribers that I get. So right now I'm at about 230 subscribers. So when I reach 300 subscribers, I can buy new makeup. And when I reach 400, I can buy new makeup. When I reach 500, I can buy new makeups, and so on and so on. I made this deal with him more so for financial reasons because I was getting a little bit overboard, but also to try to challenge myself to use the makeup that I have and to be more creative and get more looks out of the palettes that I already own. So I'm going to be doing a one palette challenge this week. I don't know why I can't talk, but I'm going to be doing a one palette challenge this week, and because I'm going to be doing it in a week, I'm going to be using a smaller palette. I had never seen this challenge before, but I did look it up, and there are people who have done it before. I know that people have done the full face with one palette, trying to use all the colors in one palette. So there are different types of one palette challenges. I have seen one channel who does a one palette challenge every so often for a month. She'll use bigger palettes and she'll use just that palette for a month to see how she likes it, how many looks she can get out of it. So I know that people do a one palette challenge. I'm going to be using the Ace Beauty, I don't know if this is pronounced Ace Beaute or Ace Beauty, but the Grandiose palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm for November, and it is 8 shades, so this should be a challenge because it's 8 shades and I have 6 days because I'm starting to post on Saturdays. Something is in my throat. I have 6 days, 6 days to do this challenge, so 8 shadows should be good enough. I feel like this palette has enough shades for me to transition and to get vibrant and to this has foils, mattes, everything in it, so it's very diverse, and I think I should be able to do a lot with this palette. So I'm excited because, again, it is a challenge. I've never done anything like this, so starting today, Monday, and ending on, I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to post on Saturday this week or not. I posted last Saturday, so I don't know, but yeah, it'll run either until Friday or Saturday, and yeah, so I'm excited. We're going to be using one palette. We're going to try to get 5 or 6 looks out of this one palette. I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes for this, so there really won't be any attention to what foundations I'm using, what products I'm using on my skin. It'll just be strictly about the palette and the eye look. Of course, everything will be mentioned down in the description, so if you're interested in what I'm using that day, if you happen to really care about my foundation or my highlight or anything like that, it'll be down in the description. So I don't want to talk too much, but before we get started in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. It would truly help me a lot. And yeah, make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss a posting. Let's get right into this video. So again, I'm going to be going in with this Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going for today, but yeah, we're gonna see where the wind takes us. I'm just pulling out some brushes because I'm not really sure what brushes I'm going to be using either. And a handful of eye brushes, some Luxie brushes, some Morphe brushes, a Fair brush, some e.l.f. brushes. These are all pretty much like my favorite types of brushes. Let's get started. I'm going to prep my eyes with concealer because that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I guess I can do my eyebrows on camera since the video won't be super long. So Okay, I have done my eyebrows, my eyes are prepped. Let's get into this challenge. So, going into my tiny palette. I really don't know what I want to do. I love all of these colors though. Like, I'm a fan of all of these colors. So this is going to be really hard to not do the same thing. I guess I just have to make sure that I'm not using too many colors every time I go in with this palette. So I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush from Morphe M218 brush. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to go into Cinnamon. This color right here. It's like the deepest color in here. And put that into my crease. Focusing on the outer corners with this. I think next I'm going to go in with Rose, this really rosy color right here. And I'm going to use my Morphe M139 brush. And I'm going to take that into the inner corner and kind of connect it, blend it into the cinnamon color in my crease area. But starting from the inner corner. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with my last color here. Well, not my last color because I have highlighting and stuff to do, but anyway, I think I'm going to go in with Primrose right here and put that all over my lid. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm trying to debate if that's really what I want to do. I think that's what I want to do. I'm going to take this mini angled brush, this Luxie 131 brush. It's pretty small. Take that color all over my lid. Okay, I can honestly say I think this is going to be a very interesting turnout, but I think it's gonna be I think it's gonna turn out nice. So I'm not too worried about it. Next, I'm gonna go in with a small brush. This Morphe 149. This is a pretty small brush, and I'm gonna dip into Jasmine right here. Then put that in the brow and in my inner corners. I'm not going to worry about that part right now because I have to put foundation and stuff on anyway. So I'm going to put my lashes on, do the rest of my face, come back, and we're going to finish this eye look. And yeah. So my face is done, and now it's time to finish these eyes. And I'm also going to be using this palette to blush. So let's get right into that. I'm going to take this rose color again with the M139 brush, and I'm just going to take that right under the lower lash. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 218 brush, and I'm going to go into cinnamon, making sure not to have too much. Look at all that. And I'm just going to take that under and blend that, making sure to kind of really blow this look out. Going in with my Mega Lash from Wet n Wild, I'm going to mascara my lower lashes. I'm going to take this blush brush from Morphe, and I'm going to go into Poppy right here and go right over my contour, making sure not to bring it all the way down, and I'm just patting it on. So what do you guys think? I think this look turned out pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to turn out really good like it did, because once I added the rose color, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna go downhill. But I didn't want to have another catastrophe like I did with the cut crease that I tried to do. If you don't know what video I'm talking about, you need to go check it out, and I'll leave it down in the description. But yeah, I had a really good time with this. It was definitely a challenge. The rest of the week is going to be extremely hard because, again, there's only 8 shades in this palette, so this is going to be very difficult to come up with a totally different look for this every day. Of course, they're going to look kind of similar because they are going to have the same colors in them somewhat. I'll try to do more natural looks, and I'll try to get as extravagant as I can with it. But I think this turned out great. I can't wait to see what I do for the rest of the week, and I can't wait to see what you guys have to say about it, because this is a look that I've never done before. So I'm excited. I'm excited to finish this week and see how far I can get, and I'm not going to quit no matter how hard it is. If I do the same look, so be it. I'm not going to quit. And I'm going to make sure that I don't do the same look. But yeah, so I changed my lighting around. I didn't get new lights or anything. I just changed the position of them. Let me know if you like this lighting better, if you think that you have any tips for me, if you think that I should move something back, if I should take some lights down. Let me know what you think of how the video turned out this week. My nose is running. I don't know why. Let me know what you think of today's video as far as the lighting, and if you have any tips for me. I would love to hear those suggestions, leave them down in the comment section. If you like the lighting, let me know with a thumbs up. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you like this look, let me know with a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comment section. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button. Turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting, and never miss a video. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.